Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn and understand the make process in order to manage it well. So, let's take a look at the role that making products or services play in your supply chain in this video today. Let's start. When you talk about making something, we all tend to focus on manufacturing companies, but non-manufacturing businesses make things too. For example, retail store make product display, restaurants make meals, and service company make experiences. And no matter what you are making, you have to understand the process in order to manage it well. In the SCORE model, make is the 3 top level process. So, let's look at the role that makes products or services play in your supply chain. Anytime we make a product or service, we also have to make a lot of decisions. For example, we decide what to make, how much to make, how to make it, and when to make it. I call this operations management, but some people call it a productions management or productions planning and control. Operations manager are responsible for many of your company's assets, and their performance is measured by the amount of staff they are able to make with the resources they are given. An operations manager might run a factory with several expensive machines in it, and their natural tendency is to use those machines to push out as many products as possible. In other words, they want to maximize the utilizations of their resources. But everyone's resources has limit, and we call this constraint. When operations manager are able to reduce or eliminate the constraints in a process, that allows them to increase their capacity. In other words, it allows them to do even more, and they can use the techniques like Six Sigma, Lean, or the theory of constraint to make those improvements. From the perspective of supply chain management, company often needs to choose between two different make strategies that is called the push strategy and the pull strategy. When a customer places an order, they are pulling the supply chain. When a company makes a product, they are pushing the supply chain. If a company makes products before customer have bought it, it is called a make to stock approach or a push supply chain. Push can be risky strategy because if a customer don't buy the products, then the company will be stuck with extra inventory. So companies often try to create a pull supply chain instead. This is sometimes called make to order or engineer to order. With pull supply chains, customer demand sets the space for production, so there's never a chance for inventory to pile up. But this can be risky too, because if a company can't make the products fast enough to keep up the demand, then they could lose sales and maybe even lose their customers. The speed and efficiency of your make process can have a huge impact on your supply chain speed, agility, and cost. Understanding the process involved in making a product or service help you focus on the activities that create real value for your customers. By aligning your production strategy with all of your other supply chain process, you will begin to see the huge benefits that come from implementing supply chain management. That's the end of my sharing in today's video. Thanks for watching. Once again, my name is Vivienne, and I see you in my next video.